Hi everybody, welcome back to BigCoder.our YouTube channel. We are here to teach you Python for beginners in sololearn.com. Okay guys, if you go to Python with sololearn playlist, you can see all of the videos related to this playlist. Okay, let's go to the first one in this course. We go into sololearn.com and click on the Python for Beginners course. We are in season 1 and lesson 4, mathematical operations in Python. Okay, now let's go to learn how is this subject. Explanations. Two asterisks like this are used to raise a number to the power of another, which is called exponentials. For example, if we want to raise a number to the power of another, like this, we should use print 2 star or explanation 5. If we try this code in code editor like this, in sololearn, we could run this code and find this result that 2 power of 5 is 32. Come back to our lesson and click on continue. Fill in the blanks to output 5 raised to third power. Okay, if we want to raise 5 to third power, we should type here 2 star between two number. You can chain explanations together. In other words, you can raise a number to a power which can also be raised to a power. So we can use these complications by the explanations. Let's try this. It's going to power these two words, and then the result of this calculation go to power to this word again. So if we try this, we can see that 2 power of 3 is 8, and 8 power of 2 is this number. Okay, let me a minute to open the calculator in here. I think it's like this. We have 2, 3, and 2. So in first, we saw that 3 power of 2 is 9, okay? So, and in the next part of this calculation, 2 is going to power of 9. So if we try to 2 in power of 9, we can see this, that if we try to go 9th time in this process, we find this result in output. Okay, come back to our lesson and click on continue. What is output of this code? Print 6 power of 2. We just need to calculate this code and find the result, that is 36. And we can also use floats in explanations. Check it out. The following code will result in the square root of 9. So if we try this code, we have just the parentheses and power of or explanations, that we should first do this calculation, that is 0.5. So we should just power of 9 to 0.5, and we just run this code, that is 3. So if we go into power of a number to a float number, maybe we have a lower number in the result. Okay, just come back to our lesson and see this point that say the result will be a float. And what is output of this code? Print 8 power of 1 slash 3, that it is a float number, and we should power of 8 to this number that is a float number in output, like 2.0. Floor division. As we have seen, dividing two numbers always produce a float. In case we want to find the quantity produced by the division of two numbers as an integer, also called quotient, so we can use the floor division operator by this. If we use this division operator, we have a floor result, floor dividing. Let's try this. If we do this calculation in calculator, we have this result. But okay, just let me a minute. 20 divided by 6 is this. But if we use these two slash by next by together, if we run this program, we just see the one number or 3. We can see a float number, and it is just an integer. It's because of this two slash. So the code above will output 3 because 6 goes into 23 times. And what is output of this code? 10 divided 4 is 2. Remainder. Remainder operator is this sign. If we want to find only a remainder in a division, we use a module operator like this. So print 20 module 6 is this 2. So remainder of this calculation is 2. Practice test. Change the code to output the remainder of 124 divided by 40. So if we want to change this 124 by 42, I think we'll have this result like this. Okay, no. Continue. Reminder. What is a result of following operations? The parentheses are first, so this one I think is 2, yes, and 7 model 2 is 3. Let's yes, is 1. Reminder of this progress is 1. Let's check it. These two, the result of this operation is 2. Okay, and in next 7, sorry, 7 multiplied by 2 is 1, because 3 times 3 times of 2 is 6, and we have 3 in here, but we have just one reminder to 7, so the result of this question is 1. Okay, continue. Let's be okay. Quotient and reminder. We can also use the floor division and module operations with floats. Okay, you can just do all of that works on that simple numbers, also with floats numbers like this. So we can print 1.25 model to 0.5, and you could try this in your code editor in Python. So you see what's the output of this code? Print 6 division by 1.5. You just think about this, that 4 times of 1.5 is a number uh, like this, that is 6. So we just uh, choose this item because the output of this division is a float output. Okay, we should complete this explanation and go to the next lesson. It said write code to output 4 rise to the 5's power. Now we just come here and write print 4, okay, sorry, print 4 rise to 5. Let's to check it. Very easy, it was true. Okay, congratulations, this lesson solved, this problem solved. And the last practice is here. Select the operator that is used to determine a remainder of division. Model sign, that is 1. A percent sign. Okay, congratulations, lesson completed, and we should go into the 5 lesson in the next in the next video. And the 5 lesson is a model quiz that cover all of these lessons that we learned before, and we should just do this quiz in the next video. Thank you for coming with us until this minute, and please like our video, comment your opinion, and if you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe this channel. You could see more videos, more teaching videos, learning videos in our channel with other teachers. Thank you. Goodbye.